I think we should go into our stock picks. I'll start with you, David. I see you're keen on talking to me. So do you have anything to say about the ceasefire first before you go to your stock pick?
No, just remember the Halliburton scandal. Remember in the Iraqi war when what's his name? He was vice president.
Yes. In the George Bush administration, yes.
No, remember
then he had an interest in Halliburton, yes.
So anyway, but I Bright, I'm going from Microsoft on the basis of when we, in the introduction, I'm looking at those at the Magnificent 10, or certainly the big companies, the big tech companies, and I just think they're trading now at levels where their multiples are no longer that expensive. There's nobody there that can say that the PEs are high. And I think we're going to get a turnaround in those stocks. It might take a bit of time, but I can't predict exactly when it's going to happen. But I still like them, and I think. Sorry, I'm talking Alphabet. Why did I say Microsoft? I'm talking Alphabet because they're the multiples are below 18. I was going to qualify it by saying the multiples are below 20, and not Microsoft, but certainly Alphabet.
Okay, you are buying Microsoft, Alphabet, everything in the Magnificent.
I'm buying Nvidia as well, where their 2-year forward is only 19. So
that's madness. That's a steal for a company that's growing at high double digits. Okay, you, Roy, he likes his tech. He's still sticking with the Magnificent 10, as he's called it. So the bluest of blue chips. Take Tesla. Of course, we all agree on that.
So I'm a lot more conservative. So I'm sticking with an interesting theme around asset managers, and that's Quilter. So this is an asset manager that's based in the UK. They've restructured themselves really well. They've invested a lot in their platform, and they're particularly useful in the UK, where now everyone actually manages their own pension. Not everyone has the knowledge to do that. So they train the IFAs and all of these people and give them the technology, and they aggregate the funds. I don't think it's expensive. I think they've come out of a big cap expense, so solid dividend yield, and I think good conservative growth over a period of time. That would be my pick for today.
So you're going with Quilter. So that's Quilter and, I don't know, a mixture between Alphabet and Microsoft. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining me this evening and answering these tough questions. That's all for Stock Watch today. Thanks to our guest, David Shapiro from Sasfin Securities and Roy Mutooni from Sanlam Investments. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.